Fine, let us go and solve the second problem. Right, let us check out here. We are supposed to find the square root of 7921. You know how to find the square root. It's very simple one. Let us go with this 7921. Make two digits as one group, that you know, right? Make two digits as one group from right side. So this will become 21 and as well as 79. Then let us start working on this. Now 79, where exactly which comes between 9 square and 8 square, that is which is less than 81 and which is more than 64. 64 is nothing but 8 square and 81 is nothing but 9 square. Let me take 8 here. 8 8s are how much? It is 64. Now you subtract. So 79 minus 64, 9 minus 4 is 5, 1, 15. So bring down 21 here. Now add 8 to 8 here. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now let us check out. So 1 should come. So 1 in which table it comes, that is 1 or otherwise 3 or otherwise, right, 3 3s are 9, 3 not 3, 9. So let me start with 9 only. So 169, 9s are 9 9s are 81, 1 8 carry, 9 6 are 54 plus 8 is 62, 2 6 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 6 is 15. So it is completely, so we are going to subtract, right? We can subtract here. So the square root of 7921 is 89. The square root of 7921 is 89. The answer is 89.